Alright, today's job involves a plug sink. So this sink is the boys' bathroom, and I suspect it's because the boys use excessive amounts of toothpaste. So we are going to check this. It's called a P-trap. And what we probably have here is clog right down in there. So let's just take the stuff out and let's see if we can fix it. So for this type of fix, you need a big pipe wrench like this, or channel lock. So I'm assuming the water is probably like this height right here. This shouldn't be super hard, but famous last words. Oh, this one's a little tougher. Alright. See, if I just reef on this, something's going to break up here, so just gotta be careful. Ooh. There we go. That should do it. There's our water. So recall, this is the boys' bathroom. Massive amounts of toothpaste goes on a toothbrush for a minimal amount of toothbrush brushing time, which results in a lot of toothpaste down into the drain. If you look at this, let's pour it out. Look at that. Woo! There's a lot of toothpaste in there. So I'm gonna get that out as much as possible. This is just disgusting. And then we're gonna take, oh, look at this. Disgusting. We're gonna wash it in the sink. This thing comes with a little seal that goes underneath here. As you can see, it's stretched and worn out. So what I have instead is something called Plumbers Putty. And what I did is just take a piece that's kind of like Play-Doh, work it in around the piece you're trying to seal. And then as this gets pulled down, this will squeeze out the excess, but that will give us our watertight seal. So let's put this in here. I've already cleaned the mating surface. This goes down there. This is a plastic washer, then the rubber seal. So this goes this way. That plastic washer is right under here, which makes this, as this tightens up, able to slip against it, because if it's against the rubber, it probably wouldn't. Get this on. This just screws on here. And then you want to crank this nice and tight. Alright, that'll do it. Not always, oh, look, we got a bit of a drip here. Where's that coming from? Is it coming from here after all? Oh, don't tell me. Come on. Okay, it's a day later. I got a new pipe. And I think we are good. No water here and nothing around up there. So we are fixed. Don't touch the camera.
Not there.
You don't need the scissors either. No touch. What are you saying uh-oh about? What are you doing? Look at Daddy. No touch. No. No. I hope this video is useful, and if it was, please like and subscribe.